Hi guys, here's a quick little video to show you how to use this reputation software. So I'm just going to enter my information here and my cell phone number, and this will send a text message to my cell phone. If you want to put your names in here, you can do that, and just click that you're not spamming customers, and you click on send feedback request. And I just got a text message with a link to make a review. Okay, so I just typed the address in on my computer so you could see this is what your customer will receive. When they click on that link, this is what they will come to, and it will fill in their name, their email address, their phone number, and then they can choose how many stars and continue on. Now, the system is set up so that if they do 3 or fewer stars, it will take them to a page where they can say why they are not happy with you, and their review will not be posted online. And then that will go to you immediately, and you can then pick up the phone and call them and see if you can resolve what it is that they're unhappy about. So continue on to the last step. And the last step takes you to Google, and then here I can, oh, it's signed in under somebody else. Okay, so here I can fill in my experience and complete my review. I'm going to cancel this because I don't want to write a review for this person. But anyway, so that's the process.